Hey, John Renee, this is Dave Fatula, and I just wanted to make this quick video for you detailing how I got you that lead for roof replacement in and around LA, and also a couple of things that I've noticed that you guys are still doing on Google AdWords, for example, and this is a mobile screenshot that I took, and how you guys can lower your cost of customer acquisition. So first things first, when somebody Googles commercial roofing Los Angeles, your guys' ad comes up, and it came up #1. And right now, if you actually have an exact keyword match, so if the advertisement says first thing commercial roofing Los Angeles right here, and then the company name after that, if it's an exact keyword match in a single keyword ad group, that's going to lower your cost per click by up to 50% and sometimes even more. So that alone can cut your ad cost in about half. And then the second thing for your landing page, and this is especially on mobile, it took me here, and so there's a lot of things going on. A landing page should actually only have one thing to do and one purpose. Right now, there's a lot of things going on. Search here, menu here, subscribe here. There's a bunch of different buttons to click, bunch of different things to do here. Click here. There's just a lot of things to do. Making sure that site is optimized for conversions, and I don't know how much percent this converts, but I do know that being able to split test it, and I had your ad somewhere else, but being able to split test that and improve the conversion rates is going to be huge. So those are just two things. Like, for example, I would have you set up with a site similar to this. The video that John sent me. Basically, there's two things to do. You can watch the video, or you can call when it's on a mobile device. Let's see here. Okay, I don't have the app that can make it mobile friendly right now. You can leave your information, etc., etc. Tells you a little bit about get your free estimate. So there's only one thing to do. It doesn't take you to Facebook pages. It doesn't take you to searches. It just has information about the company. So that would be an optimized landing page, and you can also split test what's happening on the page with heat maps and why you're losing conversions if you are. So that's what you guys could do as far as improving your ad campaign and lowering the cost of your acquisition of customers. And that's something that I could do for you for a single location, but I'll get into that in a second. The second thing I wanted to share with you was the lead that I sent you from LA was somebody typed in commercial roofing contractor near me, and so they filled out this form, and we sent it over to you. So I don't know if you closed it or not, or how big the job was. Hopefully you did, but that obviously came from the first page of Google. So I also have the site commercial roof repair, commercial roofing in San Diego. That's got up to the #1 spot. It fluctuates between number 1 and #8. Commercial roofing Los Angeles also fluctuates between #1 and #7. Commercial roofing Boston, #1 here. And so these don't convert very well because they're it's kind of just something I was testing out. But I do know that when you get to the #1 spot in every single industry, regardless of how many searches there are, so my tree service guy in Fresno, #1 here in the maps, #1 here in the organic section, etc. When you get to that #1 spot, only a certain amount of people click, in the ad section. It's usually about 3%. And then the rest of the 97% go to the map section or go to the organic section. So when someone searches for commercial roofing in Fort Worth, commercial roofing in, let's say, Houston, we have 320 searches a month. The cost for a single click is almost $50. And a high majority of people are going to go with companies they see in the map section here. It's like a free advertisement on Google, and the first 10 companies that they see are usually it's the first 3 or 4 if they're getting a couple bids on Google organic sections. I only want the opportunity right now to just do one location. I want to take one location. So if that's your Houston, wherever you want leads at. Okay, #13 here. I want to take this one page and I want to get it ranked #1 for multiple keywords in the map section and in the organic section, which again it's not going to cost you every $50 every time someone clicks this one ad, right? Or where's the ad section here? So you're going to get a lot less cost per click and per customer acquisition by ranking here and by ranking here. And all you need is more links and more citations. And there's a couple other things, obviously. We can talk specifics if you guys are interested. I just want to do one location. It's going to take me 6 months to get it ranked in this section here, and it's going to take me 6 months to get it ranked #1 here for commercial roofing. Whatever location that you want. I just want the opportunity to do one location and for it to prove its worth. My number is 559-892-5608. And again, this is Dave Fatula. Have a great day.